Hello everyone! If you're new here, my name is Valerie. I make sewing tutorials and sewing patterns. And today I have a tutorial and a pattern for the Sadie Sewing preview. In a previous video, we made the top. You can watch it somewhere here. And in this video, we'll be making the skirt. The skirt is actually super easy to make. The only challenging part is installing the eyelets. So you'll need a press or another tool to install them. You can find a pattern via the link in the description below, and let's get into the tutorial. So for this project, I choose lightweight Sudan fabric, and I have 2 meters of it, both for the top and the skirt. We'll also need eyelets and the pattern, which you can find via the link in the description below. After you print out the pattern, don't forget to measure the test square to make sure the printing is correct. It should be 5 by 5 centimeters. This pattern is super easy to assemble. First, you need to cut out the axis where the scissors are marked. Then tape all the pages together and cut out all the pattern pieces. Before cutting the fabric, I always recommend to shrink it by steaming it with an iron or washing it in a washing machine, so your garment will not shrink later on. So I cut out all the pieces. And the first thing I'm gonna do is finish the side seams on all the pieces on an overlocker. If you don't have an overlocker, you can also do this on your regular sewing machine using a zigzag stitch. Or you can skip the step if your fabric doesn't fray. Now take the pieces labeled front panel 1 and place them right sides together. Measure 18 centimeters down from the top and mark that point. When joining these pieces, first sew from the top down to that mark using a long basting stitch, then make a back stitch and continue sewing the rest of the seam with your regular stitch lengths. We're doing this so that the upper part of the seam can be easily unpicked later, since this is where the eyelets will be placed. Now take other panel piece, place it right sides together, and as I said, first sew with a long basting stitch, then make a back stitch and continue sewing with the regular stitch lengths. And now we need to sew all the pieces in the exact same way, but without this basting stitches at the top. After you've sewn all the pieces together, press the seams open. And now we can get rid of this basting stitch. This area where the eyelets will be placed also needs to be reinforced with interfacing. I'm going to use this fusible stay tape. Unfortunately, I only have it in a dark color, but I think that's okay. And I'm gonna press it with an iron. Now top stitch this opening about 1 millimeter from the edge. And this is how it looks. The top and bottom edges, I'm going to finish on an overlocker first, then fold it up by 1 centimeter and top stitch. So I finished all the edges. And all that's left is to install the eyelets and make the drawstring. For the drawstring, I cut a strip 2 centimeters wide, and I'm gonna fold it in half and make a stitch 5 millimeters from the edge. In a previous video where I showed how to sew a matching top for the skirt, I showed how to turn a drawstring right side out using a needle. And here's another method, using a safety pin. Attach the safety pin to one end of the drawstring and pull the safety pin through the tube. I transferred the eyelet placement markings from the pattern, and now I'm gonna install the eyelets, use the press, and the skirt is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of interesting content there as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. I read everything and reply to all of them. And I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.